Is it wrong to leave food on my plate? Mom, I got invited to a dinner party to Mary's house this coming weekend, and I'm very nervous. Why are you so nervous? I'm not exactly sure how to behave. Shall I bring a gift or something? Some flowers will do just fine. When would be the proper timing to begin eating? Begin eating only after all the other guests are served and the host says bon appetit. How should I use the silverware? You should start from the outside and move in. Is it okay to use my hands? It's okay to use your hands for specific foods like bread or fruit. Is it all right to talk during the meal? Yes, but try to avoid talking with your mouth full. Is it rude if I serve myself? No, it's not, but it's better if you ask the host first and offer some to other people. And don't reach across someone's plate for an item. Ask for it to be passed to you. Remember to say thank you. What should I do if I don't like the food? Better don't eat it in this case. Try not to say anything negative to the host about the food. Is it wrong to leave food on my plate? Make sure you only take the amount of food you can eat so that you shouldn't leave food uneaten. What do I do if I spill something? In this case, quietly excuse yourself and clean up in the bathroom. What if I need to blow my nose? Excuse yourself and go to the bathroom. What is done with the napkin after I use it? Shall I throw it away? No. Just leave it on the plate. Stop worrying. I'm sure everything will be fine.
You have to finish school first. What's wrong, Lily? Why do you have such a long face?
I'm so disappointed I didn't win the dancing competition today.
It's okay, sweetheart. I'm so proud of you because you worked really hard. Life is not about winning. It's about the experiences you get throughout and the friends you make along the way. You won new friends, amazing memories, and learned lessons you will never forget.
You're right. I learned a lot from this experience.
You have many other talents. I'm sure you'll get a great job someday.
Yes, I can draw really well. Maybe I'll be a great fashion designer one day.
You can also speak French and Spanish pretty well, so you could work in an international company.
Gee, that sounds interesting. I'll also probably travel abroad a lot.
Anything is possible.
And I'll probably get married to a handsome...
Okay, Lily. Don't get carried away. You have to finish school first.
Oh, I know. But it's good to have dreams, right?
For more videos, do like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.